Welcome back. We're in my garage. A lot needs to get moved and thrown away, but I need to clean up my bench, which includes getting all this RTV off of the TDI. So today's video is obviously about the TDI. What we are going to be doing is regasketing the oil pan, and with that being said, we're gonna also put on the intake manifold, the turbo, and hopefully find a nut or something to hold the exhaust flange on. And we're going to delete the EGR. So deleting all of that, and hopefully getting my table more open to actually doing more stuff, because we need to do some stuff to the BMW. So let's start getting all this stuff off. Sorry, by the way, for the lighting. It's like cutting up a body, but yeah, that's really how I got kind of help this video. Outside looks like, so we're not gonna go outside. Alrighty, well, got the oil pan on, obviously. Silicone bead, we did the thing where we barely tightened these. We're gonna wait the hour, try and see what the instructions get us into, because I've never done this, technically. So we're just gonna wait, see, and when it's in, if it leaks, it leaks. But gonna wait an hour, so we'll cut back then. Alright, we're back. This thing has been sitting for an hour. So now all we got to do is tighten the bolts. I do not have an adapter to run my torque wrench, so we are just going to have to hand tighten it, which kind of sucks, but doesn't really take much. Pretty sure it's only about 24 foot-pounds of torque, so we're just going to do that by hand. Okay. I feel like I did that completely wrong. So we're going for back this way. Forgot how heavy this damn thing is. God damn. I don't think I can flip this over, honestly. The hole for the pin perfectly. Oh my god. Wow, I forgot how heavy that thing is. Ain't nothing to it. So, if I remember, it's the intake that goes back on first. The intake, we need to do some stuff too, though. Alright, so, turn on our least ghetto light. So, this is the EGR guy. Gotta take this hose off. Technically only these two Allen keys. 1, 2, 3 bolts, and we should be good. The reason we're gonna take this guy off is because it's a coolant hose, and they're more useful if you keep them. I just like knowing that I have random stuff that could actually be useful, so I'm gonna quickly get it off. Quickly is an understatement. Good enough. These are so scary. There you go. Boom. Rusty. Assuming there was no actual coolant thing was being ran over there. Super cool. We need to. I should probably get my trick ratchet. Make life a lot easier. Two, three. There we go. 3 bolts. Guys all loose. Need to grab soft. I think it's a 6. Looks like a 6 mil. Okay, well, we're running quarter, not quarter, whatever that is. 7. I don't know why I'm using this. Yeah, I'm just using the metric side. I didn't even know I had. There we go. That's yep. And it's 06. And we cannot reach it. Are we sure? Maybe we go. Small guy. I like how I'm just making this complicated. I don't want to move the top tray off my toolbox to get to my Allen keys. Damn it. Screw it, I'm still not going to take out my thing. I honestly don't know why I'm even going to try with this. Still technically need that 90-degree piece. Ugh. There's one. Smash my hand. Oh, ow. Ta-da. There's a bolt. And there's a bolt. There we go. And there we go. That's our little EGR cooler. Look how bad that is. That's actually terrible. Wow. These little engines, they sweat a lot. Oh, oopsie. Thought we almost had an oil leak, but it's the dipsticks. Diesel's a lot of everywhere. Hopefully it doesn't keep seeping because that would suck. I'm gonna put these bolts back in because I can. So we're gonna run the stock intake. I don't have any means to not do it, so I'm gonna do that. I'm not gonna give it down. There we go. Oh. Either I'm retarded or something. Didn't look like there was a gasket on this guy actually, so. Whatever, I guess, huh? Uh-oh. I think we might have been lucky and got a blocked EGR thing. Oh, okay. Never mind, it's not blocked. Alright, so, it's quite impressive how not bad this intake is. I've seen them clogged really badly. Pretty impressive. So up here, we're gonna take this guy and bolt him on, like so. Don't know if we need it, but most people will think it's a block plate. Alright, there we go. Blocked off, no EGR, don't need the damn thing. We're gonna run this guy too. It's the pretty much runaway valve, and then I'm assuming this was the valve for the EGR, so whatever that guy is supposed to do. Don't really need him anymore. Okay, we're gonna take this guy off real quick, because it looks like it can come off. I didn't drop it. You dropped it. Yeah, I can. Wow. Sure and crap fighting me. Should have probably grabbed some PBL. Probably used the channel lock correctly. Okay, well, we can't vapor hone it, so this is just how it's gonna be. Now, see, we had a leak right there. Maybe I should. We had a leak right there, but we also had this wetness right there, so hopefully it was just from that nice moist stuff. Other than that, let's get to the other side. So, gotta take all these bolts off, and we should be good to put that intake on. Guess what? We're gonna reuse this guy too. This motor's gonna have boost leaks, oil leaks, exhaust leaks, you name it. You got lucky right there. All the bolts and washers in the spot. Actually, we don't actually need to take any of these off. Really damn black. Here we go. There we go. Intake. Alright, well, now we are going to work on the turbo. Here's our turbo. Puny, absolutely small. It's a Garrett though, with a little bit of with some play in it, but it's a Garrett. I like her. It is. So I need more of these, whatever these are. Well, they're the same as this. Sweet. Okay, so we're going to come off the few. Oh, doesn't matter. Here's our exhaust block off plate. You can see it is raw because it is going to match the manifold at some point in its life. These are 12s. This is a 10. 12. This thing got some torque for supposedly having any. Ugh. Okay, there we go. Now all we gotta do is put it on. Like I was saying, I need some bolts. Maybe I have something. Out of quarter 20. None. Alright, well, we are going to have to just not lose any of this. Really wish this came out a little better. Pretty good for what it is. It'll do. We're gonna duct tape. Nope. Alright, here we are. We got, I forgot about this bolt. Maybe I put that on. Perfect. Now, skin it. Oil. Max Peanut Rod would like to sponsor. Wouldn't mind throwing on a bigger turbo. Probably not gonna happen. I think it's a I don't think it's a 13. I think it'll be like a. Could be a 16. It's a 16. Oh, it's not 16. Got a curved 17. Perfect. It's not gonna leak. No leaking up in here. Whew, one more. The drain. This guy ain't really doing so hot. Wow. Is it a 10? It's a 10. See how this is gonna go. Come on. Right. Should've done this side. All good. wastegate seems good actually. I never checked it. I don't know how it works. Never seen one like that. Awesome, cool. So that all being done, we can throw this on with some tape so I don't lose it. Alrighty, well, got it kind of situated. My table is clean for once, other than me needing to throw away little stupid stuff. But that being said, I think we're going to leave this on to something else, maybe something to do with the actual truck itself. So we'll cut to that.